Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect a new Fire Stick remote. Let's go. Disconnect the Fire Stick from the power supply. Remove the batteries from the remote control. Connect the Fire Stick to the power supply. Install the batteries in the remote control. Hold down the Home button. Release when the remote control flashes blue. That's it. Now you know how to connect a new Fire Stick remote. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.